Hello everyone. In previous topics, we covered scalability, horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. In this topic, we're going to discuss about load balancer. So, as we studied uh, in horizontal scaling, that in order to manage the traffic, the best way is to go about horizontal scaling, because if we don't know what amount of requests we're going to get, it could be 2 million, 2 billion even. It's best that we go with horizontal scaling because there's no limit as such um, on the scalability. Hence, it's best to use horizontal scaling. Since we are having multiple instances, traffic could be routed in on each of those different instances, server instances, and it could serve the requests. That is whole the idea of the horizontal scaling was. So now when I say that there are number of application servers or instances are there which is running, right? So how are those incoming requests getting routed to these different servers? The major question is that we say that it is getting routed. Who is routing it? Who is catching those end users requests and is distributing um, uh, uh, the traffic or the load to different application servers? So that whole tool, or you can say the hero of this entire process, is basically load balancer, one of the very important guys in horizontal scaling. Because if you have multiple servers and if you don't have the mechanism to distribute the load or the traffic, the whole concept of horizontal scaling becomes futile. So it is very important that we have this load balancer in place in order to distribute the traffic between different application servers. So the load balancer is the guy which distributes the request to multiple server, and it balances load across different servers, ensuring no one becomes overloaded. There could be 8 instances, 10 instances, depending on the geography or the amount of the requests, etc. There could be a lot of application servers, right? So the idea is, obviously the whole goal of this load balancer is that we are never overwhelming any application server with too many requests so that it becomes overloaded and unreliable. We want all the application servers to be up and running. It should not go down just because it is getting overloaded. So that is what the job of this load balancer is. Now, how it does it? This load balancer, how does it distribute the requests? It makes use of different algorithms like round robin, least response time. There's URL hashing. A lot of algorithms are there. You can go through them. There is a very beautiful blog on the Nginx. You can go through it. You can read it. Um, uh, the idea here was to explain you on a high level what a load balancer is, what its whole purpose is, and where does it comes into picture. So I hope I was able to clarify what exactly the job of the load balancer is. And for more further read, like what are different types of load balancers, or at what layers the load balancers could be applied, layers as an OSI layer, I mean. So if you want to go up to that level of depth of understanding, go through it. It is a very beautiful blog is there on Nginx. Very beautifully documented. Documentation is there. You can go through it. You'll understand it. Um, give a read. So that is all for this video. Thank you all. In the next topic, we will discuss about availability, and then further we'll go into the more depths of different concepts of system design. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.